Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 smartphone printer. Need an easy and fun way to print your favorite photos directly from your smartphone or tablet? Look no further than the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 smartphone printer, the best printer for stickers today. With its Bluetooth connectivity, you can print photos instantly from your smartphone or tablet. And, with various frames and filters available, you can add some excitement to your prints and make your memories last a lifetime. Plus, with the Mini Link 2 Soft Pink, you can even print a QR code to your image, revealing the sound by scanning the QR code. The Mini Link 2 also features a variety of creative printing modes, including doodles and shapes, sketches, and stickers so that you can add some extra possibilities to your photos. And, with its compact and lightweight design, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and USB charging capability, the Mini Link 2 is easy to use and ready to go wherever life takes you. The Mini Link 2 comes with 20 Instax films designed for printing photos instantly with the Fujifilm Mini series, so you can enjoy watching your images develop practically before your eyes. And, with its bright and beautiful frames and stickers, this printer is perfect for big parties or intimate family gatherings. So if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link given in the description to purchase it right now.